Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups milk, 1/3 cup sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa, and 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Whisk dry ingredients together in a medium bowl until evenly combined. Reserve a few tablespoons of milk to make a smooth slurry with the cornstarch. Pour the remaining milk into a heavy saucepan over medium heat. Keep your butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla nearby to finish the pudding. Gather a whisk, heat-proof spatula, and serving dishes for later use. Heat the milk and sugar over medium heat, stirring until warm but not boiling. Slowly whisk the cocoa into the warm milk, dissolving it fully for an even chocolate color. Whisk the cornstarch slurry into the warm milk slowly to avoid lumps and ensure smooth texture. Increase heat slightly and simmer while stirring continuously until the pudding thickens to coat a spoon. Remove the pan from heat and immediately stir in 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Strain the pudding if needed, then pour into serving dishes to cool for a few minutes. Press plastic wrap directly on the pudding surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill covered for at least 2 hours before serving for best texture and flavor. Serve with whipped cream, a dusting of cocoa, or chopped nuts if desired. Store leftover pudding in the refrigerator for up to 4 days in an airtight container. Rewarm gently if preferred, stirring to restore silkiness before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.